Hi everybody, Alex Employer from Expert Forex, and in today's video we're going to talk about the MetaTrader platform and our free MetaTrader course that you can do, plus our videos that show you tricks that you can use on the MetaTrader platform. Now, if you're a Forex trader, you need to know this platform backwards to really take advantage of all the facilities that it has. It's a bit like Excel. Excel is the most powerful software you can use for managing data, but only 2 or 3% of the facilities are used. And MetaTrader is a bit like that. But if you find and you use all of these facilities, you will be amazed at how much time you save and also how efficiently you start trading using these facilities. Now, this all started when I was looking for a particular course, and I found the MetaTrader course that I had done a few years ago on one of our older websites, and I've decided to, rather than selling it, I would give it away free. So this course is now available to you free. It's a formal 4-video course. Now, this is a bit of a busy slide, but it will be in our forum, and on your screen you can see our forum. We basically have a forum for all of our EAs. They are all our EAs. All the owners use those forums. Then we've got forums for free Forex courses and techniques, and I'll just go through them. We've got a free double your account in one trade course. We've got a simple and easy Forex series. We've got channel trading series. We've got a lifestyle trading approaches. We've got a course to show you how to test your Forex robots. And now we've added this free 4-video MetaTrader 4 course. So this is where you find it. And then over and above that, we've got over 60 free Forex tools that are pretty handy that you can find on this particular forum. You can find the link to the forum in the description and also in the commentary of this particular video. So go on down and do this particular course. In addition, we have 21 videos dealing with little tricks about MT4 that are pretty handy. And for instance, here you have duplicating of objects, how to copy anything, how to use the market watch, how to put multiple charts on a particular screen, and so on. There's 21 videos, how to show the buy price, adding an indicator to an indicator on the MT4 chart. There's a whole lot of really interesting advanced features in these 21 videos. They are on a playlist in YouTube, and here is the address to that particular playlist. So there's a huge amount of information available to you about MT4. Now, the kind of things that you'll be learning about, and this is a long list. I am going to go through some of them because they are pretty useful. You learn about the templates, the profiles, chart formatting, line studies, pending orders, market orders, indicators, trailing stops, using the help facility in a very good way, annotating your charts, in other words, writing on them, taking pictures of charts. Now, I just want to stop there because we support MT4 traders, and they send us mobile phone, cell phone pictures of their screens. Firstly, there's a huge glare. Secondly, they are 5 megs big, and it is the worst thing to do. There's a special picture taking facility on MT4, and we show you how to use that. We show you how to place orders quickly, customize time frames. You customize time frames. You can trade a 3-minute chart. You can trade a 7-minute chart if you want. You can customize the time frames. You can use multiple platforms. A lot of people think once they've got their demo account from their broker, that's what they can use. We just duplicate those platforms, and we open different accounts. We end up trading 50 demo accounts at the same time, and it's so easy to, you don't even have to log back into your broker's website. You just duplicate them, and there's a way of doing that. How to use the option settings. A lot of people don't set their MT4 platforms up correctly, so you need to use the option settings side, and how you can arrange your windows. Then you can change the currency of your chart instantly. You can find the broker server time. If you lost your login details, we'll show you where to find them. You can change your passwords, you can change the time frames, you can duplicate objects. I've mentioned that before, and there's really fantastic ways of using the market watch. You can reconstruct trades from your account. A lot of people don't know that. You just drag the trades from your account onto your charts and you can see what's happened. You can use the navigator very constructively, and you can add buy prices to your charts. All the charts have sell prices but not buy prices. You can add buy prices. We also show you how to use the terminal properly, how to use the MT4 help. Now, the MT4 help is the most unutilized thing. It is the most educational thing because it is a course all on its own. You just go into the help section and it explains exactly how everything works on the MT4 platform. But besides that, it tells you how every indicator works, how every tool works, and it is absolutely an amazing source of information. You can study that area for hours and hours because it tells you how each indicator works, what kind of signals you should be looking at, and all that kind of thing. And then there are data window tricks that you can use, and things like using arrows and labels and all that to make your charts more interesting. And then a lot more. You know, I've just extracted the main things here. There's a lot more that you will see in these particular videos, in the 4 video course and also the 21 advanced tricks videos. Now, I hope you've enjoyed this video. Please go and watch the playlist of the 21 advanced tricks, or do the 4 video course to bring yourself up to speed on MetaTrader. You will be amazed what you don't know about MetaTrader, because there are so many hidden things in that particular fantastic trading software that is normally completely free. If you have any questions, comments, or remarks, please leave them in the comment section of the YouTube video. So from me, Alex Deploy, cheerio.